Yo, what's up? Oh my god, my throat still hurts. Okay, so we're in Build a Boat. I'm kinda good at this game, and
Hi.
I'm gonna play it.
With me.
And my throat's still dying, so yeah. Alright, let's.
Hey, you forgot
No,
I was here.
bro, Enzo. Let's build
Yeah.
our separate boats. You go there. You go on the left side, I go on the right side. Let's see who goes the furthest. Obviously, it's gonna be me, I feel like. Who do want candy? Got jump, and I think this is speed. Should I eat miniature? I'll eat that later. Alright, let's start building. Ooh, I could. Alright, by the way, no glitches, cause I know a glitch and be way too unfair if I did it. No,
I don't even know.
I'm a
I don't even know any glitches.
need to build a. Oh, what now? Alright,
Bro, I'm so god gamer at this game.
how?
I'm better than Andrew. Look
No,
at my
you're
current
not.
boat. Bro, look at this boat, bro.
Oh
It's
my
so
god,
pro.
so good.
And this is just like the start.
My man's boat is goated, right? Totally goated, right?
Yeah.
Totally not being sarcastic here, right?
Yeah.
Well, I can only do this last row. Oof, alright. We don't need a boat, like, too complicated. I mean, it's a single player boat. We can make it smaller. It'll still be good. Gives us more of these. Alright, perfect. I think we can do.
Look, I have a cheese block in my boat.
What? That's a
Look, it's
butter.
cheese.
That's
Looks like
butter, bro.
cheese.
It's not cheese. You're cheese.
Your mom's cheese.
What? Oh yeah, by the way, Enzo's, if you guys are new, Enzo's the sussest person on earth.
Um,
Bro, Enzo Raba too.
yes.
Don't make me call you furry.
Why?
Cause you literally despise me when I call you a furry.
Because I'm not.
Yeah, bro. Alright, guys, if you guys have watched me for a while, is Enzo a furry? Comment down below.
Have I ever wore a furry avatar?
You should. Said by Hi Sean.
Haishan's annoying.
Oh,
That's it. Haishang is just a sweaty bedwars kid. Why would I have to listen to him?
you know he watches my videos.
Haishan, I did not say that.
Yes he did. I have it on video recording.
You don't.
I don't, POV. I'm recording right now.
I know you're recording.
I'm recording you, mom.
Oh, you want to see my mom?
What?
Alright, she
No.
be hot.
What the hell? Enzo, actually take a chill pill. Take your medicine.
What medicine?
You haven't taken your medicine today. I'm worried about you.
What medicine?
The medicine you need.
What medicine I need?
The medicine you need to live.
What medicine I need to live?
Yep. See, guys, he needs his medicine.
The medicine I need to grow bigger balls. Yeah, I already.
What? Nah, bro. Is the puberty videos at school getting in your face?
What?
Are you okay from the puberty videos?
I didn't even see any of the puberty videos at school.
Oh, good. Thank God, bro. You'd probably be even more sus.
I already know Arbor likes the puberty video. Arbor
How do
told me
you
he.
know? Did he
Arbor told
watch
me.
it? How did he watch it but you didn't?
No, well, Arbor says he's really excited to learn about puberty. No cap.
Ayo.
Like, bro, he's so hyped. I don't know why. It's so weird. Like, why is he so hyped?
It could be a interesting thing to learn, but it's also kind of weird. Be mature about it, bro. You're probably like the least mature person.
Does it look like I care?
Yes,
How?
you cared so much about me calling you furry, but whatever.
It's kind of different.
Alright, whatever. Guys, it's kind of different. Don't mind it. Are you
Sick
done? Are you done
earball.
building your boat? Did you already finish building your boat?
Almost. I'm just putting in the extra balls.
What?
My boat needs big balls.
No, they don't. You do.
But like, my balls are already big.
No, they're not. They're small.
Why? Want me to send you a pic?
Is this
I'm
man
not mad.
seriously? No, no, no. Don't, bro. You're
I'll
gonna get
send
me
you a pic.
canceled. This man's single-handedly gonna get me canceled.
I'm that pro, aren't I?
That's not being pro. That's just being weird. Why would you do that?
I don't know.
Well, I mean, you are you, so you could be, a little bit weird sometimes. Let me sit.
Because I'm taking so long, why don't you just upgrade your boat?
I am.
Bro, that's so trash.
What's so trash?
Your boat, my guy.
My boat's better than your balls.
Nah, first, my balls are bigger than your boat. Second, bro, my boat is the goat. My
Your boat
boat
is
is the
probably the
goat.
worst.
Look
Hashtag
how,
worst boat on earth.
look how good this is.
Bro, you build it out of wood.
So,
Unlike you, I'm here using professional materials.
yeah, because you know life this game.
What? How do I know life this game? If I know life it, how? You're the one that probably know life's games.
This one? Ryan, literally. Look how trash your boat is, my
Yours
dude.
is treasure.
You need boat therapy.
What?
ASAP.
Is that even a thing?
You need to learn how to make a boat. Should I call a professional?
What? I'm the one that
Call,
went sailing before. You're the one that doesn't know how to swim.
huh? Like sailing in real life?
Yeah.
I've done that quite a bit.
You know what? I don't even care. I'm just gonna spam blocks. Cause you know why? Cause I'm proer.
Not as pros. I put a balloon on my motor.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah, I need to put some motors. Another jet wouldn't
What's
hurt.
the balloon do?
They make you fly in the air. Ooh, yeah, I can use some fireworks.
Wait, can I put like the? Okay, I'm gonna put the balloon on my cheese block.
On your cheese block, what?
You know, the block of cheese.
You're the block of cheese.
No, like the block of cheese on my boat
Oh,
that you think is butter because you're dumb.
cause it's literally butter.
Doesn't look like butter.
Butter. Search butter.